Now get to work.
I guess I get the dirty work. Wonder who does the dishes. Hi everybody, I'm the Hillbilly.
And I'm the chef. And today I'm going to show you how to make my homemade Frito pie. And this is what you'll need. What we're going to need is corn chips, 3 cups of shredded cheese, 4 cups of refried beans, 2 cups of sour cream, 1 cup of black olives, and avocado and hot sauce. I like to make my own refried beans, but if you don't, you can get 2 16-ounce cans. I'm fixing to put the Hillbilly to work. I'm fixing to get him to cut up the black olives. Now get to work.
I guess I get the dirty work. Wonder who does the dishes.
My first step is get the corn chips inside the dish. My next step is get the refried beans on top of the corn chips.
You know they sell sliced black olives.
And my next step is spread the sour cream. Now we're going to spread the sour cream. My next step is to spread the cheese. My next step is to garnish the top with black olives. Alright, we're ready to pop it in the oven.
And I've already heated the oven up to 375. We're going to cook it for about 20-25 minutes until the cheese is melted.
Alright, we'll see you in about 20 minutes. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. Look at that.
Man, that don't make your mouth water? I don't know what does.
I'm slicing the avocado. The Hillbilly's gonna get our plates ready. You can use any hot sauce you like, just drizzle it over like this. Now, doesn't that look good?
Which one's mine? Alright, y'all got to drop by. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.
Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and drop us a comment below.
And we will see y'all next time.
Bye. Alright, let's get busy.